5 simple relaxation tips. Everyone experiences times throughout the day where you just wish you could relax for even a few minutes. You already know that relaxation helps your body re-energize, but sometimes you're so busy and caught up in the moment that you just don't have the time to unwind. Well, fortunately there are simple ways to relax, even during your busiest days, that don't require a lot of time or equipment. Here are 5 simple relaxation tips. When you're in line at the grocery store, instead of stressing out because there aren't enough cashiers and every line has 5 people with heaping carts of groceries, use that time to relax your body by taking some deep breaths. Deep breathing helps increase the oxygen in your blood. Your blood then circulates that extra oxygen throughout your body, helping your inner systems recharge. Taking 5 slow deep breaths will do the trick. The proper technique is to inhale and exhale deeply through your nose and out your mouth. Not only will deep breathing help you relax, it'll help to clear your mind, reduce brain fog, and you'll feel much more alert and ready to tackle the next project on your plate. Deep breathing can be done anywhere when you're feeling stressed or just want to clear your mind. When you're at work, it's often hard to find time to relax at work. You might even get in trouble if you're caught relaxing. Oh, the horror. However, there are some techniques you can do while you're at work to help create a sense of calm that aren't so obvious to others. If your job requires you to sit at a computer all day, make sure you get up and move around for a few minutes every hour. This helps circulate the blood throughout your body. Just moving the blood flow will make you feel more alert and focused. While sitting at your desk, roll your head around, from side to side and from front to back with your eyes closed. This technique helps to relieve neck tension, increasing blood flow to your brain, which is a natural and easy way to relax. If you're on your feet all day, stretch out your back and sides by standing with your feet firm on the floor, shoulder width apart, and twist your upper body, including your head, slowly from side to side. This will loosen up your back muscles and spine, releasing tension throughout your body. During a break or lunchtime, go for a walk. Walking is a great way to clear your mind, and your body will benefit from the extra exercise as well. When you're rushing through a busy day, take just a few moments to daydream and escape the busyness of reality. Daydreaming lets your imagination flow, causing instant relief from the stress of the real world. Think of a place or experience that makes you feel happy or calm. Imagine how it smells, how the air feels, and who's around. After 5 minutes of a calming daydream, you'll feel relaxed, re-energized and ready to face the real world again. Wherever you're at, smile. Smiling is proven to help relax and rejuvenate your body. When you're out and about, smile at others around you. When you're at work, smile at your co-workers. Not only will it help you relax, it'll help relax them as well. Smile at your children when you're toting them around to all their different activities. This will create a peaceful environment you'll all enjoy. When the going gets tough, laugh. Laughter's proven to be an instant stress reliever. Now I'm pretty sure you wouldn't want to be seen as a nutcase, so laughing out loud when you're in line at the store or sitting at your desk may not be the best time. When you can, get someone involved in your laughter with you. Tell a funny joke or story to a coworker, at an appropriate time, of course. Play a fun game or sing a silly song with your kids as you're driving. Watch funny videos on YouTube. Engaging in these simple, everyday relaxation techniques will help to sustain and strengthen you throughout your day. It'll also make it easier to unwind when you get home. Your friends, co-workers, and family will all appreciate the new, relaxed you. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be safe, and stay healthy.